Hi, my name is Ian Black from Building Loans Australia, and this video and page is about land loans and how they work. A loan loan is the first step towards building your own home, and it's paramount that your land loan will also suit you when you're ready to build. You do not want to be in a position to have to refinance your land loan if you do not receive favourable building loan terms from the bank when you're ready to build. So, what are our lending options? Most lenders view a land loan as higher risk, as vacant land is harder to sell in the event of a default, as the buyer's market is reduced when compared to standard homes. Land can also take longer to sell in a flat or declining market, which is why lenders take such a conservative approach. In some rural or country areas, it's very hard to find a bank willing to lend over 80% and some not at all. We have access to banks who can lend up to 95% of the contract price, which enables you to buy land with far less than you've needed before. We also have lenders that will lend up to 97 to 98% of the contract price by adding the mortgage insurance onto the loan. Not every lender can offer these types of land loans, and in fact there are some banks who do not allow a land loan at all. Some banks impose heavy restrictions when lending over 80%, so it's integral we choose the right bank for you. Loans up to 95% can be harder to qualify for, but we specialise in land loans with some niche areas up to 95%. Niche areas such as loans with no requirement to build within a certain time frame, rural land loans, acreage land loans up to 125 acres, investment, residential, and most loans in any postcode of Australia. You may be thinking, I have a large deposit, why would I need to lend a higher amount? Well, we have to consider your construction at this point. You may want to keep more of your deposit to fund certain aspects of your construction rather than use a builder's trades and pay that higher builder's markup. In fact, we have written a special article just on this subject. See building loans with additional invoices. So, who's the most competitive? Unfortunately, this is not an easy question to answer. There are banks that offer great discounts up to 0.9% off standard available rates, banks who discount mortgage insurance premiums, and others who do not charge any ongoing fees for land loans. In most cases, the bank that is the most competitive will come down to your loan amount, your financial situation, and the type of land you are purchasing. We show you all the options and help you choose the right bank for your own situation. The last thing you want to do is apply with the bank yourself, be declined, damage your credit history, or find out the loan has restrictions when it comes time to build. If you wish to borrow up to 95%, there are conditions for this type of loan which we listed on this page. Don't worry if you don't meet all of the criteria, as there are some exceptions to the rule. If you want to borrow less than 95%, then the criteria can be relaxed and you can still be approved. In summary, a land loan up to 95% allows you to purchase your loan and land with very little in the way of deposit and savings. This allows you to spend your money on the more important aspects of your construction of your home. Alternatively, it can provide some cover to help with repayments whilst you find the right builder and build your home, or allow you to enter the market with very little deposit. So, which lender has the cheapest rate, fees, and who do I qualify with? Contact us now or inquire online to see your options and to learn more. I'm Ian Black from Building Loans Australia. We look forward to assisting you with your next property.